There's not a soul about. Not even on the water. Wow, this is engineering. Got these stone towers on each end, huge steel cables, and they're anchored into the rock face. Just there. There's the bridge. Steel cables holding it up. Powered motors. I don't know if they're fishing or just cruising, but I might see when they come past. Around the edge, it looks like the water level has dropped by about a metre. All the overhanging trees there have got a sort of a line where they've sat on the surface when the water level was higher, and there's probably a good clear metre of space now underneath those hanging tree branches and limbs. And on the banks here near the bridge, see the bleaching there. Okay, welcome back folks. Well, I'm kind of in my usual spot for now and just looking at the sky because I've been hearing rumbles of thunder. Now there are some darker grey clouds nearby. There's an awful lot of blue sky, so I'm not sure what's on the way, but yeah, I think it's all over in that direction. In that direction. Yeah, there are some rumbles just going on which I can hear. I don't know if you can, but I think I'm going to need to be ready to pack up and move very soon. So if that starts coming down, I'm going to get wet. I don't think it's going to do my laptop and other electrical bits and pieces much good. So there we go. Yeah, lovely clear blue sky in one direction. There's a few puffy white clouds in the distance. And then still rumbles of thunder. Yeah, right on cue. So could be in for thunder and lightning storms. It's incredibly hot and humid today. It was up to 38 degrees earlier. It's a bit cooler now with the cloud cover, but yeah, it's so humid. Very sort of oppressive, close. I thought it'd be good to just check in on the tomato patch again, because I don't know whether I will get a chance later if the weather turns and maybe the storm hits and there's lots of rain. So let's just have a quick look now. I have just watered them. We're early evening, sort of 6 o'clock-ish now anyway, so it's about the right time. Okay, so here are the 3 tomato plants, and in the last update I was delighted, I think is fair to say, to see a little bunch of little pea-size tomatoes growing on that little stalk there. I don't know how well you can see those, but they are there and they are growing, and there are more flowers as well, which means maybe there will be more tomatoes further up the plant as well later on, which is fantastic news. And plant number 3 here on the right, a similar picture, but it's a little bit further behind. But we've got these flowers that are just sort of dying off, which may produce some tomatoes if I'm fortunate. So that's looking good. Yeah, look forward to seeing what they produce. But I've given them a little bit more water. We might get some rain as well later. They've still got plenty of compost there as well. So yeah, all in all looking good. Quite happy with those. Well done, tomatoes. And I think it would be a bit unfair of me to show you tomatoes without showing you Mr. Rhubarb. So here is Mr. Rhubarb. Still looks pretty much the same, but maybe growing, hard to tell. But he's still in the bucket. He still has plenty to drink in the bottom of the bucket. So I think he's doing okay. He's not getting too much sun. I've put him in the shade where I can, and yeah, doing alright. So long time to grow, I think, but I'm looking forward to my first rhubarb harvest. So I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Spots of rain on my ground sheet. I thought a Kitten Watch update would be good. we have two of the three little black fellas, girls or guys, I'm not sure. They've just emerged. Seem to be doing okay. Got to try and keep the camera on them. Yeah, having a sneaky look from behind the wheel. Oh, yeah. This is probably the first experience of a bit of rain. Doesn't like the rain. There was another one. Ah, there's the one with the ginger stripe. A bit more ginger colouring on the body as well. Haven't seen that one for a little while. So that's quite cute. And the other black one. There's a little ginger and white one. Wonder if that's a tick that's got it on its belly. Yeah, they're quite active and boisterous now at this early evening time. In fact, there is a cat. It's just come through the window, just on the window ledge there on the outside. One of the neighbour's cats. Bit of a tortoise shell sort of colour, but it's seen me and looking at me. And they climb up the vine. Doesn't look very easy to climb, but they just climb up that main trunk or stalk of the vine and just up to the window and just go in and out through the window that way. Amazing.